Scientists have recently become bewildered over an ongoing weather event in the Atlantic Ocean near the equator. A large strip of ocean has cooled in an incredibly short time frame, and scientists don't know why. Now, this very same strip of water is warming back up to normal temperatures, further baffling researchers. According to multiple researchers who are still tracking this event, a cold patch of the Atlantic Ocean spread several degrees from the equator to the north and south. This strip of water first began to form and cool at the beginning of July. Interestingly, this cooling event also happened after this region experienced the warmest waters seen in about 40 years. Researchers have explained that this region has gone from cold to warm waters often, as it swings between these phases. However, these changes occur over a few years, not at the record speed seen this year. Franz Tuchen, a University of Miami in Florida postdoctoral research associate, explained that this event is really unprecedented. Various scientists have clarified that they truly don't know what's going on. Michael McFadden, a National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration (NOAA) senior scientist, explained, "We are still scratching our heads as to what's actually happening." McFadden believes that this cooling event seen near the equator could be some type of feature that scientists have yet to understand. It could be some transient feature that has developed from processes that we don't quite understand, McFadden added. This remarkable cooling event comes just after the waters in this region were the hottest seen on record since 1982. Between February and March, eastern equatorial Atlantic waters were more than 86 degrees Fahrenheit. However, everything suddenly began to change when June rolled around. Suddenly, the waters began to plummet in temperature. By July, the coolest recorded waters were seen of this event, as temperatures reached 77 degrees Fahrenheit. As a result of this sudden cooling situation, scientists have begun to forecast that an Atlantic MENA may be developed. An Atlantic MENA is a climate pattern that can result in increased rainfall occurring over areas of the world, such as Western Africa. Meanwhile, other areas, such as northeastern Brazil, will see decreased rainfall. An Atlantic MENA hasn't been seen since 2013. However, scientists have also explained that if these cooler waters had lasted for 3 months, then an Atlantic MENA would have developed. Now, the waters in this region are warming up again. As a result, Tuchen has said, the verdict is already quite certain that it's not going to be classified as Atlantic MENA. As scientists are still struggling to fully understand this situation, they've begun to analyze winds in the region. However, this has left them further stumped, as it doesn't appear that winds are impacting the waters and cooling them, as is normal. Tuchen explained, "At the moment, we believe that the winds are actually responding to the cooling." McFadden has also analyzed winds seen in this region. While McFadden believes that some strong winds may have helped form the cold patch in the beginning, the winds have increased during temperature drops. As a result, McFadden has said, there's something else going on. Scientists also don't believe that this event is human-caused, though they also have stated that they can't rule this idea out. Now, they will simply watch these waters and see if they can reveal its secrets. It's potentially going to be a consequential event, McFadden concluded. We just have to watch and see what happens.